In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to import the data that has been installed with Stata, or what we call the example dataset that are found in Stata. We learn how to install them and how to use it. So to be able to feed that data into Stata, you need to come here to File, then you go to Example Datasets. So you can see here there is what we are calling the example datasets. Then you click on that example datasets. Then this tab will be displayed. So this is the example dataset which we can use to run Stata with. The reason as to why this data is here is so that the user can be able to learn how to use Stata using this dataset. So you can see here description, it is written example datasets installed with Stata. So if you read here, it says this page contains links enabling you to describe or use the datasets that were installed with Stata. Then if you come here and down, there is Stata 15 manual dataset. So this page provides web access to all the datasets referred to in the Stata documentation. So if you can start with these example datasets installed in Stata, you click on that link and then all the datasets will be opened. So you can see example datasets installed in Stata, and then there is some description which says dataset stored here are installed with Stata. You can also see the complete list of datasets. So if you open this link, you'll be able to see the description of all the datasets used in the Stata documentation that are available via the internet. So each manual title is listed as a link that will take you to the list of datasets for that manual. So if you can see here, there is different types of dataset. So this is the title. So you can see auto.dta. .dta means that it is a Stata dataset. So all these are a Stata type dataset. So maybe we can open the first one. If you check here, you can either click on use or describe. So if you click on use, that data will automatically be fed into Stata interface. Or if you want to be able to know about the data or to describe the data, you click here. So we can start with describe. Let's describe this auto data. So you click describe. So when you click describe, then this output is displayed in the output window. So you can see there are different variables. There is make, price, mpg, all the way up to foreign. So this is the variable name. Then we have the storage type, the way in which that data is stored, then the display format, then the variable, and then the variable name. So you can see this data called make, it is make and model. Then this data called price, it is variable, label is price. Yeah. So if you look at this data called foreign, the variable name is car type. So now you can be able to see or to describe the data before you can actually use it. So if you want to use it, what you do is that you click this use link. So if you click it, that data is automatically fed into Stata, and you can see that now the data has been fed into the variable window. So you can see all the variables, you can see all the labels of the variables, and definitely now you can be able to conduct an analysis using the data because it has already been imported into Stata. For instance, we can code book any of the variables such as weight, and then we see the results. You can see the results of that particular command here. You can also tab another variable price, and then you can be able to see the results. If you tabulate that particular variable, you can see the different prices, their frequencies, their percentage, and cumulative frequencies. So you see, the moment we click this link use, the data is automatically fed into the Stata interface, and then you can continue conducting your analysis. So that is how we feed the data that is installed in Stata into the Stata interface so that we can be able to conduct the analysis. And something else we may look at is that we may look at this Stata 15 manual dataset. If you click on this link, then this particular interface will open. So it says the following links to Stata manual dataset require web access. So there are different types of data that is available in this case. For instance, there is data you can use for base reference, for Bayesian analysis, there is data for graphics references, there is data for multi-level mixed effect reference, all that. So for instance, let's click on this structural equation modeling reference. If you click on that, then you see example 1, single factor measurement model. So if you are running this analysis of single factor measurement model, then there is the data that has been used for that particular example, and then you can also be able to describe that data. If you look at another example like example 7, a non-recursive structural model. So the data that they have used to run this example is here. You can click use or you can click describe. For instance, if you click describe, you can be able to see the data that they have used and the variable label. So every example in the manual of Stata has its own data, in this section which we are calling Stata 15 manual dataset. So in that particular manual, all the data that has been used in the examples is found in this Stata 15 dataset. So that is how we import example datasets stored in Stata, and also we have looked at the various datasets used for various examples used to teach Stata in the Stata 15 manual datasets. Thank you.